Hi digital marketers, welcome back to my channel. Today we are trying to tracking button and menu click by menu link event for TikTok Pixel using Google Tag Manager. Before we do any implementation, we should go to variables and let's click configure, and we should make sure that our click based variables are activated. So we are go to the configure and click based variables will be activated. You have to tick mark all of variables for activated. Then go to triggers, create a new trigger and click the just links and put the name just links. That is our generic trigger for links. Save it and go to the preview options, connect with my website and go to the shop. Today we are tracking shop menu firstly, then secondly go to the button. So click the shop button and go back to the tag assistant. Check out that if we go to the link click number 11 and scroll it, we'll see the click classes that are menu link. We are using this class as a conditions. And if you see, we are clicking the shop. Go to the any button. Here we selected the read more button. Also click it and go back to the tag assistant, back to the link click and see our button classes is elemental button and click text is read more. So we are find out our conditions. Now we are creating the trigger. Go to Google Tag Manager, go to the trigger and new, click the just links trigger type and click the some links. We are putting our conditions for tracking. Firstly, we are tracking the menu link. So clicking the click classes, then back to the tag assistance and link clicks. Here we see click classes. We are putting the conditions as a click classes, copy the menu link and back to the Google Tag Manager. Here we put the conditions menu link. Here we putting the name menu links. That is shop. Save it. Now time to create a tag. New tag and pick the TikTok pixel template. Here we're putting the pixel ID. Go back to the TikTok event manager and collected the pixel ID from TikTok ad manager. Copy the ID and back to Google Tag Manager again. Put it the pixel ID. Trigger event will be the click button. And if we are go to the object properties, here we selected the no contents because that is not our product, that is only the button. And back to the triggering, we are selected our desired trigger which we are created before, that is menu links shop. We are tracking the shop menu link. Here we're putting the name TikTok menu link shop. Save it. And now we are tracking the read more button. So now we are creating a trigger for read more button. Click the trigger, create a new trigger. So click the new, that also just links and click the some link clicks. For we are putting the conditions. Then back to the tag assistant, collected our conditions. Here is the read more button text. So we are collected the class, copy the full class and back to the Google Tag Manager. So selected click classes, that will be all, that will be equals, putting the classes and here we put the name read more button. Save it and back to the tags to create a new tags for read more button tracking. New, and again we are selected the TikTok pixel template and for pixel ID go back to the TikTok event manager, copy the ID and back to Google Tag Manager, put the pixel ID and again as it is trigger event will be the click button. For object parameters, we are selected no contents and triggering will be the our targeted trigger before we are created for read more button. Here see read more button, click it and finally putting the name TikTok read more button. Save it and go to the preview options. We are creating the two tags. One is read more button, second one is menu link for shop. So go to the preview and continue. Go to our website. Firstly, we are checking out our shop menu button is working or not. So click it firstly shop and go back to tag assistant. See, look nicely. TikTok menu links shop tag are fired. Our trigger event click button and click classes is menu link which we are created. So all are working nicely. Then we are back to the second one, which is the read more button. Back to the website and scroll it and click it the read more button and check it out. Our read more button are tracking perfectly or not. Click it and back to the tag assistance. Congrats, TikTok read more button also working perfectly. See, our trigger event is click button and our triggering condition is working perfectly. Sometimes later you are finding your events in TikTok Apps Manager. Congrats, we have successfully set up button and menu click by click button events for TikTok Pixel using Google Tag Manager. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.